podcast session, Mr. Sumit.
Yes, sir.
So the first question we have got for you, can you please tell, after being a government officer in your life,
Yes, sir.
है ना, how are you going to serve and change the system as you are duty bound to your particular post? What steps are you going to do to make any reform in particular system?
If I tell that if I am a CBI officer, so I take action without any someone pressure, and if someone give me bribe, so I don't take. It's my thing, and bribe is a big crime, and we give support to justice and real action.
Okay, as you have mentioned, like I will not take bribe, and I have heard many people they say I will not take bribe. Somewhere you don't take bribe, your authorities take bribe, and you are the part of that authority, you are the part of that team. What they instruct you, you have to do that. Even you don't know, the bribe has already been taken, and you are working under the leadership of them. What's your take on that? Many people have to work under the leadership of their leaders, but the bribe has already been taken.
So if I tell that CBI direct, it's contact with direct PM. It's not work under someone. So I think if PM will take bribe, so we have to do work and we have to do our job.
Okay, I'm really happy that you have answered honestly that we have to work even the Prime Minister is taking bribe. Now, as we all know that CBI and ED, and
Yes,
there are
sir.
so many organizations, these are called independent organizations.
Yes, sir.
Means they don't work under someone. You have mentioned CBI, and
Yes,
you are
sir.
going to be a CBI officer. Don't you think not sometimes, many times, allegations are made against such organizations that they work under the ruling government, they work under the pressure, means they always raid only in the house of opposition leaders, they never raid in the house of ruling politicians.
Sir, if I tell government should give CBI officer work only for special work, not for rare work. Police, if any case police are not able to do solve this case, so government take work on CBI. It also take action against political party.
I am asking, right now in the ruling government, do you think is CBI working independently without under somebody's pressure?
Sir, I think CBI work independently, in my opinion, because CBI doesn't work under someone. It's give direct report to PM. If I tell that police work under commissioner, etc. If police do any action, so commissioner suppress the policeman.
If they really work independently, then why would they not raid in the house of ruling party? Why always opposing party? Do they not have address of ruling party?
No, they see everything. But
If they see everything, then why don't they take action?
so if I am the CBI officer, if my upper officer, if they give me instruction, that work I will do. I cannot go against the officer.
So it means you are also going to be the part of only that system. You will just follow the instruction that given by a top level.
Yes, sir.
Right. So that how are you going to work independently? Okay. So the last question for you: what is the thought of the day that you want to share with us?
Sir, thought of the day: be on time and be punctual. If you not come on time and you lose opportunity. Thank you.
Well, let's put a hand